Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here at Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa, and check out what we got here today. This is a 1964 Triumph T120. Soak that baby in. This is as classic as it gets. The first year for the unit engine was 63, so this is the second year. Isn't that a beautiful thing? You can tell it's a 650 by the space here, the nose on the engine, the angular shape of the head there. Check out those carburetors. Isn't that neat? It's got brand new carburetors. These are monoblocks. Engine's been totally rebuilt. Total rebuild engine. Electronic ignition in this one. They got rid of the points. They went to electronic, so easier starting, easier to maintain. I just changed one of my bikes over to electronic ignition. Oh boy, that's just beautiful, isn't it? Polished up cases, pea shooter pipes, twin shocks on the rear. Just a gorgeous thing. I love these oil lines. Here's the tank. It's a dry sump engine. The tank's here. Just a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. These are works of art to me. Just gorgeous all the way across. Push rods, front and rear. Beautiful. Knee pads. Look at this cast emblem on the side. The flat top. Parcel rack on the tank, chrome center stripe. Going down here to the gray top seat, gray band right here, the black. Classic Triumph seat there. Let's look what's underneath there. Oh, look at that. Everything's been redone. Battery's got the cover on it. Here's where you put your oil in. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Right through there. That'd make a good picture right there, I think. Wow. Beautiful. It's got the stripe on the back. I think these are called Girling shocks. Covered. Let's run up here to the front. Look at the front fender stripe. It's got this really neat bracing system. Now this bottom brace, if you have a flat, you undo it. Use it as a kickstand to hold the front tire up so while you do your tube work. Single leading shoe brake. Spoked wheel, of course, chrome. Look at that thing. Avon tires, brand new tires. Just a thing of beauty. Every little detail is just, I love this kind of stuff. It's just art to me. Coils are up here. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Triumph on the back of the seat. Jumping down here. You know, the brake. I always go crazy for these brakes, don't I? Mechanical brake, drum brake. Adjuster right there. Beautiful thing. Look at that. Love it. Center stands, side stands. Look at that air filter. Key on, light switch right there. High lows, horn. Smith gauges. These look magnetics already. Amp gauge right there. Throttle, brake, and clutch. So it looks like a dual throttle cable system, but it's actually a single throttle cable to each carburetor. So 2 carburetors. Just absolutely gorgeous. You know what? Let's gear up and take that hot rod for a ride. Wahoo! Okay, let's see what we can do here. Fuel is on, both sides. The bike was running earlier, so we shouldn't have to tickle it or anything. I turned the key on. I don't think I had the key on. All right, that was hard work for a fat guy. 1 down, 3 up. Yep. Let's do it. Wahoo! See if the brakes work. They seem to. This is crazy. Let's go out on the highway a little bit. Get that out of the way right away. Get the motor warmed up a little bit. What a machine. 1964 Triumph T100. This will be at the Make 'em auction in Las Vegas the end of January. What a machine. Oh, is it smooth. Okay, I think we're in top gear. I'm liking it. I am liking it a lot. We'll just go a mile out. Wow. Smooth. A little bit of tingly in the hands, but not bad. Wow, what a machine. What a machine. The brakes work. Kinda. Because we don't have mirrors, we're going to stop. All right, let's see what she does. I might have gone up 2 gears there. Maybe not. Very interesting riding machine. Absolutely gorgeous machine. Okay, there's 4. It's a 4-speed transmission. This is the 2nd year for the unit engine. Wow, it sounds good. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. It's got the parcel rack on the tank here along with a flat cap. Good shifting. Back down into 3rd. Absolutely wow machine. Beautiful. If y'all are in the market for a new or used Triumph, Royal Enfield, classic British bike of any type, get yourself down here to Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa. Ask for Randy or Jeremy. Those guys can help you out. If you need parts, accessories, anything at all. They have the largest classic British motorcycle supply of parts in North America. Because I don't have mirrors, I'm not going to do the spin test. It's Saturday here, and that's when they have traffic. Boy, it sounds really good. Can y'all hear that? Let's let it lope here. Very good, very good. I like it a lot. Wow. I say that about a lot of bikes, don't I? This is a real treat. I'd like to thank Randy Baxter for letting us ride this. It's really, you know, it's one thing to look at these motorcycles in the showroom, but to be able to actually ride one is a really special thing. This bike's about 59 years old. Runs like brand new, probably better than new, with an electronic ignition. Okay. Loads of torque. There it is, Baxter Cycle. Or go to baxtercycles.com. Those guys can help you out. I don't want to do it, but I'm going to have to take this thing back. All right, y'all. It's a beautiful day, and I have another motorcycle to ride. I don't know what it is. Ooh, I bet it's that one over yonder. Life is good. Wahoo! I just noticed the tach goes the opposite direction as the speedometer. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.